Welcome to Omni Tutorials. This tutorial will guide you through setting up a Torus wallet using the Polkadot.js extension. We will then show you how to connect your wallet to Torus, enabling you to view your balance and send and receive tokens. Open your browser. Launch Google Chrome or a compatible Chromium-based browser, such as Brave or Edge. Navigate to the Polkadot.js extension page. There's a link in the description. Add the extension to your browser. Click the Add to Chrome button. Confirm the installation by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up dialog. If prompted, close down the sync option. Once installed, a new Polkadot.js logo will appear in your browser's extensions bar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar and pin the Polkadot.js extension for easy access. Click the Polkadot.js logo in the extensions bar to open the extension interface. The first time you use the extension, you'll need to accept the message about data privacy by pressing "Understood, let me continue." Click the plus button to the side of Add Account, then click on Create New Account or a similar option depending on your extension version. The extension will generate a 12-word seed phrase called a mnemonic seed. Write down the seed phrase on paper. Do not share this phrase with anyone. Click I have saved my mnemonic seed safely and proceed. Provide a descriptive name for your wallet. This name is local to your device and not shared on the network. Create a strong, unique password to encrypt your wallet. Repeat the password and click Add the account with the generated seed. After setup, your wallet is ready to use. Your newly created account will appear in the extension interface. Navigate to the Torus Wallet web app. There's a link in the description. Your Polkadot.js wallet may be triggered and open automatically. If it doesn't, you need to click on the wallet icon on the web app. Choose the account to connect by ticking the box to the side and pressing Connect Account. On the Torus Wallet web app, click on the wallet icon, select your wallet from the drop-down, and you are now connected to the Torus Wallet web app. From here, you can see your available balance, send your tokens to another address, and once the functionality is enabled, you will be able to stake, unstake, and even bridge your tokens to the base network. Your wallet setup is now complete. We hope you found this useful. Here at Omni Labs, we provide AI, crypto news, tutorials, podcasts, and guides for free. Please help us to keep helping you by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.